Hey folks, if you're going bush somewhere remote this year like Fraser Island, first aid kits. Now, survival first aid vehicle kit really is the way to go. Now, it might look like a normal first aid kit on the outside, but it's so much more. Check this out. Inside are over 100 first aid items that will save your life or treat an injury. Everything's got its own place and it's all marked, so no matter how stressful the situation, any treatment will be quick and easy. Now, one thing you won't find in other kits is this smart snakebite compression bandage. It's already been a bad year for snakes, but with this you'll quickly get the optimal pressure when the rectangle turns into a square. You've only got hours if you get bitten. This will stop the venom spreading and give you the extra time you need to get to the hospital. The Survival First Aid Vehicle Kit really makes first aid simple. It has everything you need and it does the thinking for you in an emergency situation, and that's why I never travel anywhere in my four-wheel drive without one. Speaking of which, let's get back into it.